Jai Shri Swaminarayan student. I welcome you all in a lecture of computer programming. Okay. In the previous lecture we learned about precedency and associativity. Okay. So precedency is the importance given to the operators during the execution of the mathematical expression. Okay. So that we learned in the previous lecture. Okay. And today we are going to learn about the input output statement with printf and scanf. Okay, so here printf is standard output statement. It is a standard output statement, okay, where scanf is standard input statement. Okay, so here scanf is used to enter input to the program via standard input device, that is keyboard. Okay, it means scanf is used to enter input to the program via standard input device, that is a standard input device, the name is keyboard. Okay, so scanf is used to enter the input to the program. Okay, then printf is used to display output of the program to standard output device, that is monitor. It means printf is used to display output. Okay, એટલે કે printf નો ઉપયોગ જે છે એ આઉટપુટ ડિસ્પ્લે કરવા માટે થાય છે. કઈ જગ્યાએ? તો કે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ આઉટપુટ ડિવાઇસ, that is a monitor. It means printf is used for display the output and scanf is used for enter the input. We have already used this function printf and scanf in the programs. Okay, so here we talked about the printf and scanf as unformatted input output statements. Okay, so let's understand today the first standard output statement, that is a printf. So printf is a standard output statement. Okay, let's understand first its syntax, then so we have to write here printf control string double inverted comma over, then comma, argument 1, argument 2, and up to argument n. Okay, this is a semicolon. So here where control string is a string containing three types of characters. Okay, so here control string is a string is a combination of character. Okay, like અહીંયા જે તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો કે this is the control string, આ ડબલ ઇન્વર્ટેડ કોમાની અંદર control string જે છે એ લખવાની છે. તો control string શું છે? તો control string is a string containing a three types of character, એટલે કે જેની અંદર ત્રણ પ્રકારના જુદા જુદા characters હોય. તો કયા કયા પ્રકારના characters હોય? તો ચલો જોઈએ. સૌથી પહેલા નંબર 1 એ હોય printable characters. Okay, that is a control string. This is the control string which contains the three type of the character, and from the three the first one is the printable character. Okay, which are printed in output without any changes. એટલે કે પ્રિન્ટેબલ કેરેક્ટર એટલે એવા કેરેક્ટર કે જે આપણે ખાલી ને ખાલી પ્રિન્ટ કરાવડાવવા છે, એમાં આપણે કોઈ પ્રકારનું ચેન્જીસ લાવવાના નથી. Then second one is escape sequence. Then the escape sequence is always start with backslash. This is known as a backslash. Okay, they are used to cursor movement and other output function. Okay, there for example તમે વાત કરો તો for example here /n is a escape sequence. Okay, then /t, then /n and /t is a escape sequence which is used to format the particular character. And the third one is format specification. So format of specification always start with percentage symbol. Format specification is always start with the percentage symbol. For example, we seen in a lecture as well as practical session that percentage D, percentage F, percentage C. So this is the format specification which we used during the program. Okay, so here we talk about the control string. This is the control string. Okay, and control string contain the three types of the character. The first one is a printable character, second one is the escape sequence, and third one is a format specification. Printable character, it means કે જે તમારે મેસેજ પ્રિન્ટ કરાવડાવો છે એ. The second one is a escape sequence which is used to format the particular output, that is a /n for a new line, /t for a tab. Okay, and the third one is a format specification, that is a start with the percentage. Okay, then so in the printf statement, here we write the control string, and here argument 1, argument 2, up to argument n. Okay, so here we write the printf statement, and here between this double quote we write the control string. Okay, and after that control string we write the argument 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so control string shows the number of values to be printed and how they are printed. એટલે કે કંટ્રોલ સ્ટ્રિંગ જે છે એ તમને એ બતાવશે કે કયા વેલ્યુઝ જે છે પ્રિન્ટ કરવાની છે અને એને કેવી રીતે પ્રિન્ટ કરવાની છે. અને આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ 1, આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ 2 અપ ટુ આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ n જે છે એ બતાવે છે કે એ આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ કે તો કોન્સ્ટન્ટ હોય, maybe it is a variable or expression. Okay, so whose value is printed here. Let's take one example to understand it. For example, we take printf area is equal to percentage f /n. Here I write area. So let's understand first. Here this is a control string, and here this is the argument 1. Okay, so here between the double quote the right is control string, and after the double quote and comma we write the area, that is argument 1. Also when we write the same, then let's distinguish the different part also. Printf area is equal to percentage f /n and area. Okay, so here let's differentiate the other parts, that is u area. Okay, then format specification percentage f, then escape sequence slash n, and then we write the particular argument 1. Okay, let's write is what is it. First, this is the printable message. This is a format specification, and this one is a escape sequence, and this is argument 1. Okay, so here you can see that this is the printable message. It means we cannot change it in, and this is the format specification %n, which denotes the value which is printed of the particular argument that is in a float, and that this is the /n, that is a escape sequence which is used for a new line. એટલે કે અહીંયા જે છે તમે જોઈ શકો છો કે એરિયા ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ આ જે છે એ નોર્મલ પ્રિન્ટેબલ કેરેક્ટર છે કે જે આવીને આવી રીતે પ્રિન્ટ થશે. બાકી અહીંયા જે છે %f એ ફોર્મેટ સ્પેસિફિકેશન છે કે એરિયાની અંદર જે વેલ્યુ હશે એ %f એટલે કે ફ્લોટ વાળી એટલે કે પોઈન્ટ વાળી વેલ્યુ હશે, એટલે અહીંયા %f જે છે મૂકવામાં આવ્યું છે. એન્ડ ધેર નેક્સ્ટ /n, તો /n ઇઝ અ એસ્કેપ સિક્વન્સ વિચ ઇઝ યુઝડ ફોર અ ન્યૂ લાઇન, એટલે કે /n જે છે એ એસ્કેપ સિક્વન્સ છે કે જેનો ઉપયોગ જે છે એ ન્યૂ લાઇન માટે કરવામાં આવે છે. તો ચલો આપણે જે છે એ થોડા ફોર્મેટ સ્પેસિફાયર જોઈએ કે જેનો ઉપયોગ આપણે કરવાનો છે. સો લેટ્સ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ સમ ફોર્મેટ સ્પેસિફાયર્સ. ધેન this is the %c. %c is used for a character. If your input or output is a character, then we have to use the %c. Then the next is %d or %i, which is used for a integer value. If your input or output is an integer, then you have to use %d or %i. Then the next one is %f, which is used for a float or double value. Okay, and sixth position after the decimal point, okay, sixth position after decimal point. Okay, but %f is used for a float or double. Then next one is e, %e or %E, which is used for a double in scientific format. Okay, so %f %e or %E is used for a double in a scientific format. Okay, then %g or %G is used for double in %e or %E format. Okay, then %O, which is used for a integer in octal number. Okay, then %x or %x, then it is a integer in hexadecimal. Then percentage U, it is a unsigned integer. Percentage H is short integer. Then percentage S is used for a string variable, and percentage is also for a no arguments. એટલે ક્યારેક તમને એવું પૂછે કે આપણે જે છે એ એકલું percentage લખી શકીએ, તો yes, we can write only a single percentage which indicates that that is a no argument. Okay, so today we are learn about the standard formatted unformatted statement, output statement, that name is a printf, and in printf we used the different kind of the format specifier as well as the escape sequence as well as the printable string. Okay, also let's see some escape sequences. જો તમે ભૂલી ગયા હોય તો એકવાર રિવાઇઝ કરી લેજો, અથવા તો જો ના જોયું હોય તો જોઈ લેજો. એસ્કેપ સિક્વન્સીસ, તો એમાં જે છે એ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ એન્ડ વોટ ઇઝ ઇટ્સ મીનિંગ. ઓકે, આપણે જે છે જરૂર પૂરતા જ અત્યારે જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ. ધ ફર્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ અ \b which is used for a backspace. /b is used for a backspace. Then /n is used for a new line. Then /t is used for a tab. Okay, /v is used for a vertical tab. It means it is used for a horizontal tab. Then /this is used for a single quote. Then /2 is used for a double quote, and /? is used for a question mark, as well as / is used for a backslash, and /0, this is the 0, is used for a null. So these all are the escape sequence we have to used in a printf statement as per requirement, or we can use this kind of different escape sequence in C programming in a printf statement. So I hope you understand or learn today's lecture. We will meet in a new lecture with a new topic. Till Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Astu.